Hello, Metacenter. Tony. Great thanks to Dr. Delbert Blair. I am so excited to enter into the contest for the Astro Bundle of You. I think that's such a cool, amazing opportunity to help people out here who are looking for answers. So here's my entry. My name is Jordan. I'm 33. I'm from Des Moines, Iowa. Spent a lot of time in Chicago growing up. How has the Metacenter helped me? Man, the Metacenter has helped me with so much, and they don't even know it. I feel like I'm still in the beginning stages of building my relationship with the Metacenter because I know it's there, but I don't think the Metacenter knows I'm here. It's the information. So much valuable information has brought me so much ease and comfort, has brought me so much direction. There's been so many aha moments where I'm like, I'm not crazy. Oh man, I always knew that thing was a thing, but I didn't know what it was. I didn't have anyone to talk to about it. You know, I'm the only one in my family that is, you know, spiritual, that is into metaphysics. I've left religion a while ago. I grew up in a Baptist family of musicians. I have so much information that I have learned from the Metacenter over the years, from people like Dr. Delbert Blair, Tony Vortex. I'm at a place now where like I have all this information, and now what do I do with it? How do I put it into action? You know, being from Iowa in the family of religious people, it's kind of lonely, and it's like feeling like you're on an island. But I am ready to put this stuff into action. I've been on a journey to get to know myself. You know, who am I? Where do I come from? What is my purpose? Why am I here? There's got to be answers out there, and I've always believed that there's answers. You just have to dig deep enough or be brave enough to go looking for them. So that's what I'm doing with this. And it's funny that this is called the Book of You or the Astro Bundle because I've already kind of started my own. Well, I tended to start my own a while ago, and it was simple. You know, it's just got some things from my house chart, some things from my numerology chart, my life path number. You know, trying to learn about, you know, what colors benefit me. And this is just things that, you know, my intuition told me to do. And I was like, wow, this is a good idea. And hearing that Tony Vortex offers something like this, the Metacenter, that they offer something like this, it's like, man, I was right. And I think if we can learn just to figure out who we are, where we come from, that we have so much of what we already need, but we just don't know it, you know. I also feel like I'm kind of stagnant in life. I'm an entertainer, creative, singer, songwriter, dancer, actor. But I feel like I've hit a point where like I just can't go further. Like I know that I want to go further. I have the talent and skills to go further, knowledge, but I can't seem to get unstuck. There's something that's blocking me, and I'm trying to figure that out. I'm also just trying to figure this thing out about like spirituality, metaphysics, the great beyond, with no one to talk to about. So I find myself on the Metacenter YouTube page for hours and hours. When I'm at work, I can't stop playing it, you know, and information overload is real. So sometimes I have to take a break just to digest, you know, what I've been hearing. But just so many things, so many questions. So I look forward, even if I don't win this contest, I still look forward to moving forward with the Metacenter. I look forward to building that relationship and growing. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. I'm excited, and good luck to everyone in this competition. This is really cool. The Book of You, that just sounds so useful. You know, sounds like it brings ease by understanding and support. And that way you can have the confidence. You can literally have the best results possible. So, thank you. Here we go. This is my book, a book about me. Wow. I love ordering things from the Metacenter because in addition to what you get all these awesome things. Cards, information, reminders. I mean, I still have stuff from like my first ever order from years ago. I say this affirmation. I try to say it every morning. Sometimes I forget. Please, universal creator, know in my heart that I love you. Please protect me in this planet on which I live now. Please open my mind, my spirit, and my soul to receive only truth and your love now. Stuff like that, you know. So just a little preview. I'm going to pick something random. Let's start with my destiny number. My destiny number is 7. Your destiny requires you to be a seeker of deeper truths and to separate yourself in some way from everyday, mundane concerns so that you may concentrate on understanding the underlying causes and deeper meanings, the hidden side of life. Studious, correct. Introspective, correct. Analytical, correct. And deep, correct. You are drawn to the study of psychology, philosophy, religion, and metaphysics, or to scientific investigation. All correct. All correct. And it's funny that in this sentence it says, you are drawn to the study of psychology, philosophy, religion, and metaphysics, or scientific investigations. Now, when I was a kid, I loved taking things apart. I love figuring things out and figuring out, like, what's in this little gadget right here? What's inside of it? What's holding it together? What's making it spin? What makes it turn on? I love that. I often say to my mom or my dad, I come from a family of creators and musicians. Well, mainly musicians on my dad's side and on my mom's side. My mom's an artist, but she's also extremely book smart. I often say, if I didn't do that, I would absolutely be studying psychology. In this incarnation, you have to learn to develop your individuality without isolation and to use your creative power to change the suffocating conditions that surround you. I'll definitely do that. The profession you choose will satisfy your emotional need to express your originality and to transform your environment. You need to feel free to communicate your ideas. You like to call attention to yourself and always want to preserve your independence. Imagine that, like, for anyone who is thinking about getting this, imagine opening up your brain and just turning the page. This is what this feels like. It feels like I'm opening my brain and my heart and I'm just turning the pages. That's what this feels like. I'm gonna need a second to read this. I'm probably gonna read it every 2 to 3 months for the rest of my life. This is a lot to digest. It's in a good way, but it's a bit overwhelming in the best way possible. Thank you.
All right, everyone. So you just seen the video from Jordan. Again, shout out to Jordan. He was very eloquent, and he most definitely was able to convey the importance of the astrological bundle. Again, we are a phone call away. Our phone number is 708-668-4909. We are located in Oak Lawn, which is a suburb right outside of Chicago. We are located at 4606 West 103rd Street, Suite B as in boy. And again, that's Oak Lawn, Illinois. We have right now many classes going on. Shout out to all the members out there. Many of these classes are free. For example, right now we're building Tesla towers, literally. Okay, and so that class just started on yesterday, which was Saturday, and it's moving faster than I thought. And so on next Saturday, which is February 1st, we'll actually be building the Tesla towers. There's going to be 3 of them at least, and from that point we may get finished with it that day. If not, we'll be finished with that following week. From that point, we're going to take our knowledge that we learned, add to it, and we're going to build a larger one. So these are the types of classes and experiences that are happening at the Metacenter. And again, we appreciate everyone who is a part of what we do, because we would not be here without you. Again, please visit us at metacenterchicago.com, and we'll talk soon. Take care.